How to search Hawkesbury Library's online catalogue. First, go to Hawkesbury Library's online catalogue at aurora.hawkesbury.nsw.gov.au/library. In the search bar, type in a book's title or an author's name. Click on the magnifying glass to begin your search. The search results will appear on a new page. Use the tabs at the top of the page to narrow down the list, for example, magazines or books. Use the menu to the left to narrow down the list even more. You can select location, item format, or availability. Your search is now complete. Thank you. For further assistance, please call library staff on 4560 4460.